Can you refuse a polygraph test? Have you ever wondered if you can say no to a polygraph test? This question is especially important in the world of criminal law and legal careers. A polygraph test, often called a lie detector test, measures your body's reactions to determine if you are being truthful. However, these tests are not always reliable, and their results usually cannot be used in court because of potential inaccuracies. Now, let's talk about your rights. You absolutely have the right to refuse a polygraph test. This right is protected by various laws, including the Employee Polygraph Protection Act in the United States. This act prevents most private employers from requiring polygraph tests for job screening or during employment. Additionally, state laws support the idea that no one can be forced to take a polygraph test. So, what happens if you choose to refuse? Good news. Refusing a polygraph test does not lead to legal consequences. However, it may raise questions or suspicions from others. It is essential to understand that deciding to refuse is a personal choice. You should feel comfortable with your decision and consider seeking legal advice before making it. In the context of criminal law careers, knowing these rights and the limitations of polygraph tests is very important. Polygraph examiners are professionals who administer these tests, but their results are often not used in formal legal settings. In criminal investigations, while the results may not be admissible in court, statements made during the test can still be considered as evidence. This means that if you are ever in a situation involving a polygraph test, it is wise to consult with a lawyer before agreeing to or refusing the test. For students in law school, understanding the legal aspects surrounding polygraph tests is crucial. This knowledge will help future lawyers provide sound advice to their clients and navigate the ethical issues involved. In criminal law, how polygraph results are used and interpreted can greatly affect investigations and legal proceedings. So, if you find yourself facing a polygraph test, remember that you have the right to refuse. Make sure to weigh your options carefully and consult with a legal professional if needed. Understanding your rights can empower you in any legal situation.